Hey, YouTube, welcome back, guys. So I finally received my Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. This one is the unlocked version, come directly from Samsung.com. So as you know, I got the $200 trade-in credit for the Apple iPhone 7, and I also get a $200 credit that go toward the purchase of my Samsung 11.6 Chromebook 3. So the retail on that one's supposed to be $219 plus tax. So instead, I deducted $200 and I only paid $19.99 plus tax, about $21 and something for that Chromebook. In case you guys missed it, you could search it on my channel. So anyway, I'm pretty excited and stoked to unbox this. So let's go ahead and open this up. I believe I pre-ordered this around like February 13 or February 14, and it was announced on the February 11. So let's go ahead and open this up. Hopefully that's not my invoice. Oh, it is. Alright, so this is the description right here. I had to click on the OTG adapter in order to get it for free. And then this version is the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G, 512GB of storage. And instead of 12GB of RAM, this one is the 16GB of RAM because I chose the highest storage. Wow, look at that. So normally this OTG adapter, it is packed inside the phone. So somehow this time around it is outside. And you have to click on the option when you order or pre-order your phone. Or else they're not going to give this to you. So there you go. So this is a USB Type-C to USB Type-A female adapter. And then you got this air bubble. There is the phone. Wow. It's pretty hefty or heavy, okay? S20 Ultra 5G. So somehow this time around it is made in Korea instead of Vietnam. But the box is printed in Mexico. Scan with the transparency app. And right here it says Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. And it is unlocked by Samsung. Label printed in Korea. Alright, so let's go ahead and cut this two tape open so we could unbox it. So on the cover right here, you got the like a pamphlet. Let's see what's in here. Oh, right here there's a SIM card eject tool. Then that's it. This device is packed with the screen protector. If you remove it and want to use a different screen protector, make sure it allows for use of all touchscreen feature. So here's a quick reference guide. Get the most out of your phone. The Samsung Care, you gotta buy an extra for the protection. And then term and condition. All right, let's go ahead and check out the phone right here. Oh my God. So yeah, it is has a protective right here. And as you can see, there's a cutout right here for the fingerprint scanner. I guess my Note 10, it comes with the pre-installed factory screen protector. So sometimes when I press it harder, it's still not reading my finger print. So, wow, look at that. Look at the camera. This one has a 100 time zoom. It's called the space zoom. And you got the Samsung logo right there. And below it is the IMEI number, so I'm covering with my thumb. So right here on this side, you got the volume rocker, and then the power switch right here. On the bottom right here, you got the speaker grill, USB Type-C, your microphone. So the good thing about this one is support 120 hertz if you are a gamer, like to play game. So the screen is very responsive. So, and right here is the SIM card or the memory card tray combo that you can remove. And then here's another microphone. All right, so let's go and check it out. What else is inside here? By the way, I have a dummy phone right here. So this is the dummy phone. Try to see the size and comparison real quick. And it is a S20 Ultra. So somehow with this one, the Samsung, it is more bigger and legible compared to the real one. And right here on the dummy phone, it is a flat finish instead of glossy. So yeah, it's exactly the same size. Just power this on and let it boot up. Let's check it out what else is come with this phone. So unfortunately, it does not come with the 45 fast charging brick.
Let's get started. Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
So this is a charging adapter right here. It says super fast charging. So some of this adapter is supposed to be in here. So I'm not sure why they want us to order separately. So make sure there's nothing in here. Nope. And then come with this charging cable, which I'm not going to use. And then you got the AKG earbuds, which is I'm not going to use either. So I don't want to take it out. So they come with the adapter too. So the screen is pretty nice. It's edge to edge. So yeah, anyway, I need to set this up because this is just unboxing to show you guys what come with it. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.